welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are here. If this is your first time finding my channel, welcome. My name is Nereyda and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials for you guys. Today I'm going to be filming this really fun elastic braid that I really love because there really isn't even any braiding involved in it, so makes it even that much better, right? So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by gathering all of the hair from right above my temple, and I'm going to secure that with an elastic. Now I'm going to take that hair and split it in half, and I'm going to flip the ponytail up and through the hole that I just made. Now I'm going to start pulling at the edges of the twist to add some dimension and make it look bigger. Now I'm going to gather another section of hair from right underneath that topsy tail. Now I'm going to pull out the inner section of that hair to create a braid effect. Now I'm going to pick up a third section of hair, secure it with my elastic, once again, I'm going to just pull out the inner section of that hair to give it the braid effect. I will continue the same pattern all the way down the length of my hair. Depending how long your hair is, you'll have more sections or less sections. Now that I've reached the end of my hair, I'm going to hide the elastic. I'm going to pull out a strand of hair from the back, wrap it around, and go ahead and tie a second elastic, making sure that the end of that hair that got wrapped around is being put into that elastic to secure it in place. That is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure to use hashtag NereydaSpeaksHair and tag me in any of your guys' recreations because I love to see them. Give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what else you guys would like to see. And until next time, you guys, bye!